afternoon, everybody. It is meteorologist Adrian weather forecast, and welcome back to another video, guys. This is going to be a video on another severe threat for the South and South Central, I believe, if you call it that. But yeah, another severe threat moving for possibly from Tuesday, Thursday, even maybe Friday. But yes, more severe weather in the areas I've gotten hit: tornadoes, hail, heavy rain. So yeah, guys, just gonna be a lot more rain. So this has actually been a very crazy month in spring for parts of the South Central and all those areas. So please, guys, be careful and all that, because it's gonna be a very dangerous storm and all that. So just more severe weather, storm after storm after storm. Let's get with the video. Sorry, guys, if I'm huffing and puffing, because I just ran up the stairs right now to get here to do the video. So sorry. Okay, so by Tuesday we can actually see quite some rain for parts of the areas in the Colorado, Utah, New Mexico, Texas area. So basically there's going to be actually two little ways of the storm. One way is going to be in northern Texas, and then another one's going to be for more of the southern to central part of Texas. You're actually going to see it. This is Tuesday, just going to see that rain. It's not going to be heavy yet. If it's just going to be from northern Texas, you can see, going to bring a lot of heavy rain for parts of the Oklahoma and Texas border, and also parts of Oklahoma. So it's going to be very heavy rain. Be careful, because possible tornadoes. And it doesn't look like that much, but on this radar it only has it to the dark green. It doesn't get to the orange and red. It's not that specific. So you're probably wondering why it's not going to be that bad if it's not in the red or like that. If it's just dark green, nothing to be worried about. But this is actually really bad, especially in this type of radar, because this isn't specific or very detailed like the NAM 3K AM. So, but this is actually still going to be very bad. This is Tuesday around evening. The heaviest will be the Texas and Oklahoma area, going to bring some moderate rain for the southern parts of the heaviest storm. So, like I said, that's gonna that heavy rain's gonna move into Kansas, Oklahoma, gonna bring some rain from Missouri. It's gonna evaporate very fast. You can see not much anymore, actually. Just basically that heaviest amount just really disappeared. And then this is where you see that second part starting to form. Parts of southern, central, part of Texas, maybe even parts of New Mexico. And there you have it. By Thursday, it's going to be one of the worst days. So that's why I said Tuesday through Thursday. As Tuesday's beginning, Thursday it's where it's its worst point, I believe. It's a very crazy month for Texas, I believe. Parts of Dallas, or southern, parts south of Dallas, parts of Austin, parts north of Houston, gonna get quite a bit of rain. Very severe weather for parts of Austin. It's just gonna be this general area. Because if you're outside of this, you're just gonna get light rain. It's just that specific area for parts of southern, south central Texas. Then gonna bring some. Actually, the heaviest rain is actually gonna split into two parts. Parts of Louisiana, and then parts of the western part of Arkansas. They're gonna bring some rain ahead of it for parts of the Mid-Atlantic states. Then it's gonna bring quite a bit of rain. It's actually surprisingly not gonna bring a lot of rain for parts of the Carolinas and Georgia. In Alabama, so far it's just looking like more just like a Texas, Alabama, and Arkansas. It's gonna be a bit smaller of a severe threat. It's not gonna be like the ones that have been hitting the southeast too very hard. It's gonna be more to the panhandle. Actually, it's gonna be dipping south quite fast. It's going to be dipping south. Not going to be like the general rainstorm in the spring where it just moves east. It dips down into parts of the Panhandle, Gulf of Mexico. So if you're in northern Mississippi, or actually Jackson, Mississippi, where you've been getting hit very hard by these storms, if you're expecting severe threat from this, it's going to be very small chance. The chances will be a lot smaller than the last times. Not really going to get to, maybe it's very going to be a very low chance of you even getting the slight chance. So it's very surprising, guys. Possible snowstorm here. We're going to make a video about that. And then it's going to bring some more of a southern Georgia, northern Florida threat. And then it's going to go off, guys. So yeah, a bit different. So that's why I'm going to make this video and also to inform you guys. But it's a lot different than the past storms have been coming here. So guys, this is the NAM 3KM where it's the more specified, and you can see a bit better. It's really detailed. So this is what you can see around, I believe this is Tuesday. Yeah, this is Tuesday, guys. So let me at least move this a little bit. Okay. So you can see this, guys, does not go all the way to like next week. So this radar is only about 2 to 3 days long at most. So it's it's going to be very short compared to the one we just saw. So Tuesday, heavy thunderstorms for parts in southern New Mexico and bands stretching from Oklahoma all the way to parts of the Texas area, guys. Let me at least click this for I can maybe like... Okay. Okay, so then by Tuesday evening, you can see some maybe severe threat for parts of the southern Oklahoma, northern Texas border. Again, this first wave isn't going to be the worst part. The worst part would be on Thursday, but this radar cannot get to Thursday yet. So I'm just going to show you guys for like if you're wondering about the Tuesday area, and then it's going to be gone. Maybe bring some. Then you can see that by this is Wednesday afternoon. You can see those thunderstorms start to develop in parts of the southern Texas area, where those very severe thunderstorms start to wrap up, or not wrap up, I mean like they start to like get together into its form. That's going to go through southern and central, or sorry, not Georgia, sorry, Texas, bringing some very heavy rain. Let me, okay. Sorry guys, something happened with this thing. Okay, so sorry guys, something happened with that. Okay, I'm sorry guys, that was unexpected. So this is Wednesday afternoon, guys. You can see where those severe weather starts to move into more the southern part of Texas, and then that's going to bring more like maybe like a back. If you think about it, more like a backstorm. This heavy band right here, where that's going to form, it's going to be a backstorm of this, bringing some moderate to maybe some light, maybe rain, something like that. And then you can see, oh, this is getting to Thursday, or sorry, this is actually Wednesday night. Like I said, didn't go to Thursday yet. Going to bring very heavy rain Wednesday night for parts of the southern part of Texas, even central part of Texas. Very heavy rain, guys. Something we really need to watch out for. And then when we get closer to Thursday, you can see maybe parts of southern Texas and central Texas getting some heavy rain. Let's check out day 2, guys. So, like I said, not going to be very big threat like we've seen the past times. It's not going to see a enhanced or moderate risk. It's going to be very low chance. Marginal risk include parts of Pittsburgh, actually, but that's not really what we want to talk about. We're going to talk about Rolette, Texas, Mesquite, Texas, and Wichita Falls, Texas. Those areas in the marginal risk, guys. And like you can totally see big difference compared to the last storms. Not really that much of a threat. But again, guys, still gonna maybe see multi-cell storms with this storm or with this system. So could see maybe some possible tornadoes popping up. So you just can't doubt what's gonna happen. And the slight chance includes Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Plano, Garland, Texas, and again, Austin, Texas, and a very small chance of getting severe weather, guys. So so basically, slight chance, including some big cities like Dallas and all that. Let's check out day 3, guys, as this storm approaches parts of more like southern and central Texas. And so yeah, guys, that's totally sorry guys, so we can see some severe weather as it goes in parts of southern parts of Texas, including maybe parts of Austin getting to the marginal risk, pretty close to the slight chance actually. But again, it's going to move quite a weird southern turn, guys. Usually with these storms like we've been seeing, it usually moves east, and that's where you see that slight to marginal risk. But it's not going to happen, guys. So this is what's going to happen. It's going to be quite different. It's going to bring that slight chance for parts of San Antonio. San Antonio, you haven't really seen some severe weather. You've seen probably some scattered little thunderstorms there, but haven't really seen those areas where you specified as a slight to a moderate risk. So San Antonio, Round Rock, Victoria, Cedar Park, Texas. That's one of the first times I've seen Cedar Park, Texas under some kind of severe weather, guys. So that's where you see some cities that haven't got some severe weather this year are going to get some. Here are rain accumulations, guys, because they're going to be pretty high, especially with this just one rainstorm, guys. The most amount of rain will be in this little band here, stretching from parts of near the Dallas area all the way to parts of central and southern Texas near that border of Mexico, guys. But it's going to be mostly right here, guys, right here in this little dot, and then from right here, that's where you can see those darkest little red colors. If you're in this circle, guys, you guys can range up to 4.5 inches to maybe even possibly 5 if you're right in that darkest little circle. 5 inches in one storm, guys. Now that's incredibly high, especially for one storm, guys. So now you can see why we have some possible threats, especially with the flooding, guys. So if you're like, oh, there's no moderate or there's no enhanced risk, what do we have to worry about? Well, first of all, it's flooding, and don't like think just because it's enhanced risk doesn't mean not enhanced risk doesn't mean there's not going to be severe weather, guys. There can be severe weather even during a slight chance. As long as you have a chance, then that's something to probably worry about. Is so just be careful, guys. Don't underestimate this storm because this storm is going to be pretty dangerous in some areas, especially flooding. So yeah, so guys, this is Tuesday. I already have it on Tuesday. So Tuesday Tuesday around 2 o'clock, it's not going to be very much. There's not going to be much energy as the storm's barely got started. Only around 2,500 joules per kilogram. Let's go right to 8 o'clock, guys. For you guys can just see this generally how it's going to go up. So basically, you see quite a bit of energy for parts in the Mexico area. Gets to 3,000. But let's get more into the Texas area. 2,500, 2,600, guys. Again, not getting it pretty high as these storms have not really developed yet. Let's go more into Tuesday or Wednesday, guys. 2 p.m. on Wednesday, you can have a lot more energy, guys. We can have 3,000, 3,100. The highest would be around 3,000, guys. And then it's going to be near those areas for the western part of Texas and have that first severe weather. Near San Antonio, can get San Antonio 1,700 joules per kilogram, but just west of that area is 2,700. When you can see it intensifies a lot, it gets to 8 o'clock, 3,300, 3,200. So yeah, a lot of energy. San Antonio quickly gets to 2,800. So you can see how rapidly that energy moves to San Antonio in southern Texas. And let's go to Thursday, guys, at around 2 p.m. 2 p.m. Not going to be bad. 2,300, 1,800. Like I said, guys, this is going to be quite different severe weather. A bit smaller chances. Not going to be like those big severe weather threats like parts of Texas and Louisiana. Not going to be like that type of storm. Once it moves east, guys, not going to be a lot of energy. 2,300, only like the highest number there, and maybe a bit more energy, 2,600, 2,700, parts of the Louisiana area, and then it's all going to move off by Thursday night. So yeah, that's basically what's going to happen, guys. Not a very, very big deal right now, guys, but again, don't underestimate this, guys. This can have possible tornadoes, and you don't even know it, so yeah. So guys, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it if we guys get to 1,000, only 300 exactly more, guys. That would make my life so much better if I get to 1K, guys. And I just want to thank you all guys for subscribing. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.